Hello and welcome back to the NOS VW channel. Today's video is on the 1971 Deluxe. We've been working on this van for at least the last 3-4 years on and off. It's obviously a very long-term project. It was imported by us about 8 years ago, and as you can see, we have done everything. If you look underneath, it's been fully bare metalled and every nut and bolt has been replaced or restored, or like the bumpers have been blasted, powder coated, and then the correct Alpine white on top. The paintwork is a Audi Volkswagen colour. I think it's like a Nardo grey. It's had new loom, new headlights, full paint. I'm trying to think what else we've done. Pretty much everything. If you can see under there, if you look on the channel, we've done previous videos on this van on how to lower it and stuff. What we're actually up to at the moment is I've put all the back together, put the tank in, got the fuel gauge working, put the tank cover on, had that powder coated. Gearbox has been reconned. All the wiring is done, ready, just got to wire the engine, and that is the next step. My brother Luke has, this engine's from VW Heritage. It's a fully brand new engine. Everything on it is brand spanking new. You buy it as a short block, but the tin, the alternator, the pulley, the carbs, everything on this engine is new. It's got a vintage speed exhaust. Actually, I think the only bit that's original is the engine bar. So tomorrow's job is to put it into the van and wire and plumb in the electric fuel pump and the fuel lines, etc., and the breather box, and get it running. So you have a 2-week deadline to get the warranty going. I think it's got a 2-year warranty, so get the warranty in check. So they have to see a picture in the van it's going in, and see a picture of the registration, chassis number, that, just to prove that it is going in the vehicle to get the warranty going. Once the engine's in and running, my next job will be to set the height correctly. We've got some alloys for this, and we'll get some new tyres. Set the height, because when it's got the engine in, you have a bit more weight to the vehicle, so you can get the height, sort of where you want the van to sit. Once the height's done and obviously the alloys are done, then I can start doing the brakes. It's got disc brakes on, obviously 71 model. Get the disc brakes on, get the drum brakes going, put the gear stick and the linkage in, and then we're pretty close. I think I've got a door rubber to do on the sliding door. Obviously the cover's off, deluxe trim. All of a sudden it's going to come together after all these years. It's nice to see it out of my workshop and in my brother's, and for the first time since I can think, or cannot think when, I've actually got an empty workshop. I mean, this has been like, it's weird, having a gap, and at the back where it was kept, just seeing this gap is just, it's just freaky. Apart from my truck, there's a load of crap and covers. I've nearly got an empty workshop. It's like we're packing in or something. So, over the next few months, we should have a result on this one, and obviously get it going. And then David's van, the other one covered up over the corner over there, Luke's got, this is a bit of a different one compared to the grey van. It's the original engine, so it's more of a refresh than a new engine. So Luke's got to take the tubes off. So it's got some of those adjustable tubes rather than taking the heads off. Luke's got to pop the heads, just basically clean it up, reseal the whole engine, the original engine, ready for the tin and stuff. So the engine was in there, it was good. It's a known engine, so it works. So it's on the lower end on a sort of way. So it'd be a nice runner, but it's not a full resto like the grey one. But it should be a nice little running van. Same again, it's still going to have the powder coated tin. So you only really see this bit anyway. All the rest is covered with the tin. So it'll look good. But it's a lower end of the scale compared to the grey van. But yeah, it's nice to see it out. It'd be nice to see it drive. Since we imported this from, I think it was from Dakota, North Dakota, it's never ever driven in this country. I think he's got it registered now, so I will be the first person to drive in this country, which is really strange. But yeah, exciting stuff. Obviously the nose badge has got to go on, that's chrome. And the last, yeah, nice to get the registration plates on, and the alloys definitely. Yeah, we'd love to see the alloys on, not these crappy old steels. But there we go. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for everybody who liked and commented on the last video. Had a really good result. Really appreciate that, and thanks for watching.